be furious. As Chanakya said, Sam, Dam, Dhand, Bed. जो भी सरकार आती है और जो भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनता है, जो भी आपके ब्यूरोक्रेट्स वहां पर होते हैं, नेता होते हैं, वो यही किताब उठा के, यही पन्ना खोल के, यही दोहराते हैं। और क्यों ये नजर आता है, जैसे हम ये बात कर रहे थे क्या कहते हैं किसानों के विषय में, तो शाम तो आप सब लोगों ने देख ही लिया। इतना देर, मतलब आई थिंक अब 5 हफ्ते होने को आए हैं और सरकार अभी भी कोई नतीजा फैसले पे नहीं पहुंची है। दाम अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है। दंड, आप भेद की बात करें तो ये दीज आर द आइटम्स दैट आर कमिंग नाउ, बट दे आर अगेन it's the attempt by the government. First sign of rift among farm unions. Two leaders clash over political links. Okay, but right after that, this is in the Times of India. Times of India can generally is as what they call more or less Godi media. But then you have in the Indian Express, Kisan Sansad dispute resolved. Chaduni to be part of talks with government. After clarification from Chaduni, Kisan Morcha says unions united in this fight. So there goes the bait part. Okay. Now here's the dand that is continuing, and I figure that this is not going to get them anywhere. NIA quizzes dozens linked to farm stir. Okay. And this is just again a nefarious kind of design to create this Khalistan kind of affair. NIA casts net wide. They catch writers, journalists, traders and activists, right? But the farmers are not giving up. As you see, women take the lead at Singhu, say there is no question of going back. Then what do you have? In western UP, farmers are angry, tractors get ready for Republic Day. You can actually see the anger in the videos that are doing the rounds, folks. And it's not what all the English news channels are showing. That's just not it, folks. Then he says, but on the tractor rally, SC refuses to step in on Republic Day tractor rally. And what does it say? Onus on Delhi police to deal with matter. Wonders if court has to remind government of its policing powers. Groups firm but promise non-violent roadshow. Government against idea of section 145. And I think that will be a shame if they go after section 144. And Toma, clueless, absolutely. Toma puts ball in farmer's court. Meeting tomorrow, which we know is going to go nowhere. And like I had told you earlier, that this collection for the Ram temple is going to get ugly. Migrant killed in Gujarat clash during temple fund rally. Like I said, right? But Diggy throws it in. Diggy sends 1.1 lakh to PM for temple with a demand. What's his demand? He wants to know where the money that's being collected, how it's being spent. They won't tell you that, folks. Delhi BJP to launch collection drive for Ram Mandir. VHP's Delhi unit president Kapil Khanna said they will reach out to 43 lakh families. I see lots of trouble here because what happened in Rajkot and Gujarat should be a pointer for what's going to happen everywhere. 3 FIRs after migrants stabbed to death in clash during procession, and this is a procession of collecting funds for the Ram temple. I'm sure we should be better use for those funds, right? I mean, we need funds for our Dalits, we need funds for our scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, education. Building temples should be at the bottom of the list. India's dive into illiberal society continues. Tandav's makers apologize as clamor to ban series grows. Wow. Tandav makers apologize, FIR in Lucknow. And so basically what you see is all these states that are really taking India down, driving the illiberal narrative, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, it's got a shame. So same again, Lucknow, UP woman says willingly went with youth booked under anti-conversion law. And then shameful, look what happened here. Maharashtra probing Arnab sensitive Balakot chap. Apparently he knew about Balakot way before anybody else did. Amazing. Chats prove Goswami Das Gupta collusion to rig rating, says NBA. Thank God for what happened in the Panchayat. MVA set to dominate BJP Sena neck and neck for top position. Important message. And this is Adani's model, right, folks? Adani Green sells 20% stake, 50% in solar project to total. So basically you can see what Adani's model is. Using crony capitalism, he locks into all these projects, whether they're airports, whether it's solar, wherever I think there is a huge global flood of money. Right? And then waiting for the opportune time, gets the right kind of valuation, sells out. Hey, the good part is he gets a good partner in. The bad part is he's the only one doing it because of the help of crony capitalism. That means only a few people are going to get rich. The rest are going to stay poor, folks. Cheers.